Welcome back. I'm Miranda, and today I'm going to be making some egg white muffins. So this is a great way to get some extra like veggies in if you struggle on getting veggies. I do all the time, so I normally add 1 or 2 veggies to these. So today what I'm using is some bell pepper, spinach, I have some cheese, I'm just going to use some egg whites, some turkey sausage, and let's get making these. So the first thing I'm going to do is I have preheated my oven to 350 degrees. And I'm going to spray my muffin pan with some non-stick cooking spray so they don't stick, so spray it pretty well. Okay, so now that I have my bell pepper and my spinach chopped up, I'm going to even it throughout the pan, and then also I have 1 cup of the turkey sausage that I'm going to even throughout the pan too. Okay, so now that I have them all in the pan and everything, I'm going to place them in the oven on 350 degrees for like 20 to 25 minutes. Just watch them. Okay, so they are done cooking now, so I'm going to take them out of the oven. Okay, so what I like to do with my egg white muffins after they're done, and I eat them, so I normally make plenty, so for meal prep, so I'll normally eat them a couple days in a row, but I do like to top them with sriracha or salsa, and then I'll either make some like hash browns to go with them or eat them with a fruit. But this is an easy meal to, like, if you're running out the door, you can take them because they're easy that you can just hold and eat on the go. But in the description below, I will list all the ingredients plus the macros. And then if you like videos like this, make sure you give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment below, and then join us for our next workout or recipe.